In this video, I'm going to go over some example of tape diagram problems. If you ever get stuck on a tape diagram problem on a homework or a weekly assignment, I'd like you to come back to the examples I did on this video and see if you can match the problem you're struggling on with one of my example problems. In Amanda's favorite salad, the ratio of the number of walnuts to the number of apple slices is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 4. Okay. How many apple slices will she need if she uses 14 walnuts? So 14 walnuts. There are 7 boxes for walnuts, and I need to take my 14 walnuts and divide them up evenly into the 7 boxes. So that means there needs to be 2 walnuts in each of the boxes. Whatever number goes in the boxes needs to be uniform throughout. So I need to put that same number in for apples. How many apples are there? How many apple slices are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 apple slices. The ratio in the number of 7th graders to the number of 8th graders at the homecoming game is 5 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's more 8th graders. If there were 21 more 8th graders at the homecoming game, how many 7th graders were at the homecoming game? Well, if they both had 5 boxes, there would be the same amount of 7th and 8th graders at the game. But the 8th graders have 3 more boxes. So all the extra 8th graders need to fit into these 3 extra boxes. There are 21 8th graders that need to be spread out into the 3 extra boxes. So that means that there need to be 7 8th graders in each of these boxes, which means that the number 7 needs to be uniform throughout all of the boxes. How many 7th graders are there at the game? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 times 5 is 35. The ratio of the number of popcorn that Hannah and Sam ate after school is 3 to 5. Hannah is 3. Sam is 5. Okay, so Sam ate more. 3 to 5. Hannah eats 4 more popcorn. Now the ratio is 7 to 10. So if you probably noticed, these ratios are not equivalent, and that's because Hannah just ate more popcorn. Sam didn't eat any more popcorn, so I can't add any boxes for Sam. But what I can do to make the 5 into a 10 is I can split the 10 up by taking the 5 boxes and splitting them all into 2 boxes. So now I have 10 boxes for Sam. Let me do the same for Hannah. You'll see I have 6 boxes for Hannah. But I need to have 7 because Hannah changes the ratio when she consumes more popcorn. She consumes 4 more popcorn. So that extra box I had to make for Hannah has to be the 4 extra pieces of popcorn she ate. So that number 4 has to go into each of the boxes. How many popcorn did Sam eat? Well, 4 times 10 is 40. Sam ate 40 popcorn. The ratio of the number of socks that Jessica and Sophia own is 5 to 6 respectively. Jessica and Sophia. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sophia has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 to 6. Jessica's dryer loses half of her socks, and now she has 14 less socks than Sophia. So Jessica loses half of her socks, so I have to cut half of Jessica's socks out of the picture. But Jessica has 5 boxes, and you can't really cut 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change all of these boxes and split them into half for both ladies to make the exact same ratio, 10 to 12. Now I can split Jessica's number of socks. Jessica's dryer loses half of her socks. I'm going to take away half of Jessica's socks. Now Jessica has 14 less socks than Sophia, which means Sophia has 14 more socks. So let's see how many extra boxes Sophia has. Sophia has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 extra boxes. And in those 7 extra boxes, we need to split up the 14 extra socks that Sophia has that Jessica does not have. So I'm going to take the 14 extra socks and I'm going to split them up into the 7 extra boxes. And I'm going to find that there needs to be 2 socks in each box. So I put that number in throughout. How many socks does Sophia have? Well, 2 times 12 is 24. I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any questions.